You dropped it again. You did that on purpose. Okay, here, put this hat on. How do you put the hat on? Which way does it go on? You silly girl. I'm putting it on my head. There. Yeah. You want to wear it? But it falls off your head when you put it on. I'm gonna wear it like this, okay? Is that okay? Hmm? What? What do you want? You want to help me? What are you gonna do? There. You want to wear it? Here. Look, look. What are you doing? You silly girl. Oops. Don't lose Daddy's hat. What happened when we lost Daddy's hat the last time? Hmm? What did we do when Daddy lost his hat?
Roll it down.
Daddy cried like a baby. Hey.